Hello. We are on our last set of sight words for now. These are our blue sight words, blue 3 and 4. So blue has, let's see. Blue words 1 had 5 words. Blue words 2 had 5 words. How many is that? 10. Blue words 3 has 5 words and blue words 4 has 5 words. 10. Can you figure out what 10 plus 10 is? That's right, 20. So blue words has 20 words. So that's why we have 2 videos for blue words. So blue words, the 3. These are getting harder again. His, their, what, how, where. Any rhyming words on this page? There are. 2 of them rhyme. And actually they're spelled very close together. Do you notice that? There and where? Very close. Your, that's just you with an R on it. Your, when, why, from, of. Okay, your turn. Thought I was going to go to from again. I tricked you. Okay, practice your words. Do a great job. I miss you, and see you later.